Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're looking at a watch that Craig was kind enough to lend in. So he's actually selling this watch. I'll leave contact information for him in the video description if you would like to buy this watch. So let's check it out. It is, of course, a Glycine Combat Sub GMT, actually. Warranty card and information there. So let's check this thing out. I was tempted to buy one of these a while ago, just haven't ever actually pulled the trigger on one. So yeah, very cool. I have quite a few combat subs, so I'll compare this to one of those in a future video. Let's get this off of the let's just slide it over there. There we go. So yeah, very cool. I have one bronze watch in my collection. I was considering selling that one and buying just the regular combat sub, not the GMT in bronze. So it'd be cool to compare this to that one. Very nice. And it, yeah, it actually has an actual bi-directional bezel, as it should for a GMT. It doesn't have, would it be 24 clicks or 40? No, it'd be 24 normally for a GMT, but at least it's bi-directional. 60 clicks bezel. Got a little bit of patina coming in too. It looks good. Looks like a nice worn pair of jeans. Let's wind this thing up. There we go. It's taking a few winds there. I like the color of the bezel too. It goes really well. Same color on the dial, but goes really well with the bronze case and the strap. Very nice. Alright, let's get this on wrist. Actually, we'll take a look at the case back. You can see the movement in here. Buckle and tang match as well. Alright, so reading the case back here. Bronze case, steel back, automatic, sapphire, 20 ATM, and then Glycine. There's the model number. GL0316. I'm not exactly sure what movement this is, but I'll look that up and we'll talk about it in the full review. And quick release straps here. Alright, let's set the box off to the side and then I'll get this on wrist. I do like that red date too. Actually, let's move the handset to a safe position. I think 6 o'clock should be fine. And then scroll through the date here. I'm assuming they're all the same color. Yep. So, very cool. Strap feels real nice too. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and the case on this should be a 42 millimeter case if it's anything like my other combat subs. I'll check the thickness as well. The regular combat sub is nice and thin at 10.5. This one may be a little bit thicker due to the movement, the GMT movement. So yeah, let me know what you think of this watch in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time. And I'll talk to you soon. Oh yeah, nice applied indices in the handset, bronze as well, or bronze looking at least.